This is the Fairfield Inn and Suites Anaheim Resort, Marriott, room 507, and this is a park view room. Okay, there's 2 queen beds. That is a little like chair bed, so it comes out into a bed. I'll show you that. We have a TV with a chest of drawers, 4 there, a little work area, and then here 2 more drawers. Here there are plugs. There are new USB ports in this room. Another 2 plugs here. This is the bathroom area. It has a pocket door again, and then here is the coffee bar, the safe, and then a little fridge. It's really just a drink fridge. It's pretty small. There's that. And then, so this is outside of the bathroom. There's a sink area, towels, and a couple drawers down here. There is a luggage rack and ironing board with an iron. And then here's the bathroom. It's pretty standard. Toilet, towels, and then a bathtub shower. And really weird, there's a vent in the shower. And that is the room here. Now this Fairfield is the only Fairfield that I've come across that does not have a complimentary breakfast. But in place of that, they have on the 3rd floor this room, which they call the marketplace. Inside this marketplace area, there is an arcade with plenty of games and stuff to play. And this here is the Pizza Hut Express and the coffee shop, but they were closed the entire time we were there. Over this way is the entrance to the fitness area. It's actually quite a large fitness area. It has plenty of stuff to do, the medicine balls, the yoga balls, weights, with the weight bench, which is nice, and then 3 treadmills, a couple of ellipticals, and a stationary bike. Now as we head back out of the gym, I did forget to mention that there are toasters and microwaves in the marketplace outside, on either side of the room, and this is what those look like. Here we have the pool area. There is a semi-small hot tub here, lots of seating along this side and the other side as well. There is a sign up here that you can see on the side. It says the water is recycled, which is cool, but also don't drink the water since it's recycled. There's a good sized bathroom here, towels. There seem to be always people in the pool whenever we come by. It's a fairly large pool. The gift shop here is actually a lot larger than it looks. They do have a lot of stuff in here, pretty much anything that you might need. To souvenirs and medicine, drinks, and I believe they even sell some alcohol in here and cigarettes. And it just keeps going past this door. There's another section around the corner. And that will conclude our tour of the Fairfield Inn and Suites across the street from Disneyland. I hope it was helpful in your trip planning, and we hope to see you again soon.